Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to walk you through how can we perform image pyramiding, which is kind of a strategy that we use to create kind of a series of images that has different sizes. Okay, so first let's go ahead and download the image so you guys can find the image here, or you can find the image as well contained within the course package. First, we're going to load all our packages, NumPy, Matplotlib, and so on. The next step, we're going to read the image and we're going to show our image. We have done that several times before, and here we go. This is our image. Okay, look great. And then we're going to simply use plot, PLT or Matplotlib instead of OpenCV, just to show us kind of the dimensions here of the image. So we have maybe 500 by, let's say, 700 pixels. So we have almost 487 by 740, and it's colored image. That's why it has 3 channels. All right, so let's see how can we create that pyramids. So first, we're gonna say, okay, let's go ahead and use pyramid down. Okay, so we're gonna take the image, pyramid down, and that will create our scale down one image. So shift enter. So as you guys can see, when we scale it down, the pixels have been reduced, right? So we scale it down. Let's take the scale down one image, scale it, pyramiding it down again. Okay, so it's kind of creating half of it again. Hit enter. So we took the 244, becomes 122, 370 becomes 185. Let's take the second images again, pyramiding it down by one step. That creates 61 by 93 and so on. And let's go ahead and actually visualize all of them. And here we go. So now we're able to see the image, scale down, kind of mini version of it as you guys saw here. Again, it's very, very easy, very straightforward. That's how can we perform pyramiding down. If you want to perform pyramiding up, which means creating kind of different scales up, we're going to use OpenCV.pyramidUp. So let's go ahead and do it. So if you guys can see, the number of pixels actually have increased, kind of doubled. And we're gonna here, let's plot it. So you guys can see, we have been able to pyramid this image up a little bit. And you'll find that the image quality had been reduced a little bit, because we have to do kind of interpolation between the pixels. All right, and that's it. That's all what I have for this lecture. It has been pretty short and pretty straightforward. Let's recap what we have done so far. In this lecture, I've been able to take our image, pyramid it down and pyramid it up. It's kind of resizing the image. So here we're going to use cv2.pyramid down, pass along our image. That will create image 1, pyramid it one more down, becomes scale down 2. One more time, become pyramids or scale it down 3. And we've been able to kind of visualize all of them, with different sizes. We actually have one here that's kind of the smallest one of all of them. And if you wanted to pyramid it up, you can use pyramid up. And that's all what I have for this lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you in future lectures.